Hey everyone, this is Aaron with DIY Home Repair. Today I'm going to be showing you how I cut the replacement door for my bathroom upstairs. I'll also provide you links to all the tools I use at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around to the end. The first step is really just going to be to remove all the hardware out of the old door. Alright, so now that we have the hardware of the old door, we're going to take our new door and we're just going to set it right on top of the old door. Okay, so now that we have our new door sitting on top of our old door, we can go ahead and line up the two doors. Now, the easiest way I've found to do this is just to go to one of your top corners and take a straight edge and line up the top and line up the side. The reason I always do the top is because that way, when you make cuts later, if you need to adjust the height or something, you can always cut from the bottom, and it won't mess up your pattern if you have multiple doors. And you can also go ahead and cut your hinges now, and when you cut off the bottom later, it won't affect the height of those hinges. Alright, so now that I have clamps on both ends of the door, I know it's not going to move on me. So now I'm going to go ahead and flip the door over on its side, and I'm going to go ahead and take my straight edge and just mark out where the old hinges are. I'm also going to mark out the location of the old doorknob. So if you don't have a hinge template kit, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create your own template. So to create your template, what you're going to do is you're going to take your new hinge and you're going to set it on top of your new door. Once you have your hinge placed in between the two marks we made earlier in the video, you're just going to go ahead and trace around the actual hinge. Now, the one thing you want to be aware of when you're tracing your hinge is that usually the hinge does not go across the whole side of the door. So make sure you're looking at your old door and lining it up exactly the same. Okay, so now we're going to remove our clamps and go ahead and set our old door off to the side. To cut out the two holes, I'm going to be using a Ryobi door lock installation kit. If you look up in your right hand corner, there'll be a link to a video on how to use that tool. Otherwise, there'll be a link down in the description as well. If you're using the hole saws that came with the Ryobi door lock install kit, you're going to notice that they don't actually cut all the way through the door. In this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill out my hole, and then I'm going to flip the door over. If you've found this video helpful so far, please make sure you like and subscribe below, and keep watching to see how I cut the hinges out. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out my hinges. And to do this, I'm going to be using a Ryobi door hinge installation kit. If you look up in your right hand corner, there'll be a link to how to set up and use the Ryobi door hinge installation kit. Otherwise, check the description below for the link. For more videos like these, please like and subscribe below. Thanks.